probably 3/4 of our community without power. We do have both the hospitals powered up at this time.
Well, greetings from Merritt Island, Kelly Park. We're looking across at Cape Canaveral right there.
The state remains flooded.
And
blamed for at least 5 deaths in
let's go
Louisiana
for a drive.
and Mississippi. Thousands of homes are threatened by a California wildfire that's already destroyed
Canaveral.
hundreds and is now sweeping toward the resort city of South Lake Tahoe, which was ordered to evacuate yesterday. The Caldor fire also prompting warnings for communities across the state line in Nevada to be ready to leave. America is listening to Fox News.
Nielsen says more than 30 million Americans watch Newsmax. It's the 4th highest rated cable news channel, and it's available on all major
There's my
cable
little
systems.
boat launch
Or
right
find
there.
it on smart TVs like Samsung,
really
LG,
see it
and
from
more.
here.
And it's free on Roku, Zumo, Pluto, Amazon Fire, and TiVo. Or download the Newsmax app on your smartphone. Watch it anytime, anywhere. Forbes described Newsmax as a news powerhouse. Millions of Americans are watching Newsmax. You should too. Tune in today.
Sometimes the world can seem a cold place, so we gotta bring the warmth to it. Sometimes the world can seem a broken place.
Let's put a
So we
little
gotta
bit of
strive to
music
fix it.
on, not too
At the end
loud.
of the day,
Well, let's